Hi y'all. So it's the end of the weekend. And of course, I didn't get everything done I had on my list of to do, but I got a lot done and I want to show you guys my progress. So let's look at what I plan to do and what actually happened. Options are to plant my cold weather plants out into the garden, possibly start more carrots, up pot so many different plants in the greenhouse, build my nesting boxes. I have 3 of them, so they're gonna go where that old sorry pitiful box was. And possibly separate my artichoke plant into containers, possibly put my mint plants into containers, and finally possibly start more herbs for my tea garden. I have a lot of seeds that are ordered for my tea garden, so maybe I'll just share with y'all a short little video about what I'm putting in my tea garden. So that's it. Okay, so I'm in my greenhouse and I just want to show y'all what I managed to get done. So I up potted a half a tray of San Marzano and a whole tray of San Marzano. I up potted some Jersey Devil, Triple Crop, Paul Robeson, Giant Garden Paste. All of these are Giant Garden Paste. My Berry Crazy Cherry, my Brandywine, and I'm trying out something with these water bottles I'm repurposing. So I'm gonna wait to do a video and I'm gonna see how they perform, but look forward to that video coming soon. I made water bottles, self-waterers out of water bottles by putting a tiny hole in the top of a water bottle, watering the plant first and then sticking it down. And as you can see, the water's not going down because it doesn't need the water. What else? And I got some Abe Lincolns done, reseeded some marigolds, and I was about to up pot these Dr. Whipshies, but I'm stopping. My main focus is to get the heavy producing tomatoes up potted so they can start getting strong, and I'll show you what else I managed to get done. And I put up these roosting bars, which they're not really sitting on. So I'm gonna check for eggs one more time. They're scared of the light. I'm sorry, y'all. The sound that you hear is my neighbor on his keyboard outside with a microphone. Yes. No. Okay. Oh, that's why y'all can't go in. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, babies. I had closed the coop so that they could lay in the nesting boxes. Only one, only one, only one, only one.